The North Sea Link is a 1,400 megawatts high-voltage direct current submarine power cable between Norway and the United Kingdom. At 720 kilometers, it is the longest subsea interconnector in the world. The cable became operational on 1 October 2021. The cable runs from Kvildal, Suldal, in Norway, to Cambois near Blyth in England. The converter station is located near to the cable landfall in East Sleekburn and is connected to the national grid at the Blyth substation. The cable is 730 kilometers long and has a capacity of 1,400 megawatts. The estimated cost of the project was €2 billion, and it became operational in 2021. As planned, it is a joint project of the transmission system operators Statnett and National Grid. The offshore cable was supplied by Prysmian and manufactured at the Arco Felice factory in Naples, Italy. It was installed by the cable-laying vessel Julio Verne. Cable for the fjord, tunnel and lake sections, and the onshore connection in Norway, was supplied by Nexans and manufactured at Nexans plant in Haldane, Norway. It was laid by using the Capjet trenching system and the cable-laying vessel Skagerrak. The HVDC converter stations were built and installed by the AB Group. The project was first proposed in 2003. When Statnett and National Grid planned a 1,200 megawatts interconnector between Suldal in Norway and Easington, County Durham, in the United Kingdom, this project was suspended. In October 2009, Statnett and National Grid announced they were conducting a feasibility study of the cable. According to the pre-feasibility study, the project will be economically and technologically feasible. It will be a commercial cable jointly owned by Statnett and National Grid NSN Link, a subsidiary of National Grid. In 2010, there was speculation that the interconnection may also connect the North Sea wind farms as well as offshore oil and gas platforms, becoming the backbone of the proposed North Sea offshore grid. In 2014, National Grid quoted various groups in favor of more interconnections. The route survey of the offshore section was conducted by MMT in 2012. In March 2015, Statnett and National Grid announced a decision to start the construction phase. A month after Nemo Link, a similar connection between the United Kingdom and Belgium, was announced, along with Viking Link from Denmark. They would increase the UK's electricity interconnection level from the 6% it was in 2014. Construction of the UK onshore cable between the landfall at Booker Hadland and the converter station site at East Sleekburn was completed in February 2020, with the converter station under construction. As of January 2021, the converter station in Suldal had been connected to the grid. On the 8th of June 2021, it was announced that construction had been completed, and after a period of testing, the interconnector became operational on 1 October 2021. Initially, the link is operating at a maximum of 700 megawatts, half its capacity, but this will be increased to the full 1,400 megawatts over 3 months. Once completed, the North Sea Link will give the UK access to the South Norway bidding area of Nordpoolspot, with an annual transmission capacity of 12.3 terawatt-hours. According to analysis by the United Kingdom market regulator Ofgem, in the base case scenario, the cable would contribute around £490 million to the welfare of the United Kingdom and around £330 million to the welfare of Norway. In this analysis, over the 25-year cap and floor regime, the benefit to United Kingdom consumers is expected to be around £3.5 billion under the base case scenario. This could reduce the average domestic consumer bill in the United Kingdom by around £2 per year. According to Åke Loe, CEO of Statnett, Norway may use the interconnector to import electricity at times of peak supply in the United Kingdom, which could allow a temporary reduction in hydroelectric output in Norway and a corresponding increase at peak Norwegian demand times. In 2014, the Norwegian energy service provider Markedskraft analyzed the impact of 2 interconnectors under construction from Norway, the North Sea Link and Norge, a submarine cable of identical capacity connecting Norway with Germany. The electricity will at any moment flow towards the country with the highest price, and these price differentials generate income for the interconnector whether the electricity flows one way or the other. Marketscraft estimated that while the Norwegian import and export via Norge will zero out in 2020, the annual net export to the UK via North Sea Link is projected to be about 10 terawatt-hours, i.e. almost all of the interconnector's annual capacity. Marketscraft go on to estimate that the increased demand for Norwegian electricity via North Sea Link will increase the price of electricity in Norway by 25 NOK per megawatt-hour. A 2016 study expects the two cables to increase price in South Norway by 2 øre per kilowatt-hour, less than other factors.